In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys everything you need to know about how you can dropship from Aliexpress to Etsy. This is very quick and easy. All you have to do, guys, you want to follow these simple steps and you will be able to start your journey with dropshipping from Aliexpress to Etsy. So Aliexpress is like the best. I have tried a lot of websites, Amazon, Walmart, like Lowe's. Like the best is Aliexpress. Like I have found like the best suppliers are on Aliexpress. It's really the best. Like you will never find something similar to Aliexpress because of the prices. There are a lot of cheap products here, and yeah, if you want to start, keep in mind that Etsy doesn't. You can just sell any product you find on Aliexpress on Etsy, because Etsy is special. Like they only sell handmade products, as you can see. Etsy, because when I first started doing Etsy drop shipping, I got my account banned, and you might say, you might be wondering why I got banned. Is because I was listing any product I couldn't find on Aliexpress. I didn't know how the dropship. I knew how dropshipping works, but I didn't know the policies of Etsy. I didn't know Etsy I didn't know Etsy doesn't support dropshipping. So I was just listing anything from exhausts, motorcycle exhausts, to makeup related stuff, like everything I can find on Aliexpress. And I woke up in the morning and I received a message that I cannot open my account because my account was banned. And I was wondering, okay, why I got banned. And after I did a lot of research, I have found that you can just sell anything on Aliexpress. You have to find special product, like something that looks like it's handmade product, and then you start listing it on Etsy. Now, how you can find these products? As you can see, guys, if you go to Etsy, you will find that a lot of people sell, for example, jewelries, necklaces. As you can see, this necklace, for example, this one, it's selling for $55. And as you can see, it says here gold name necklace, personalized necklace. Now, what you need to do, guys, to start dropshipping from Aliexpress, like I said, you don't have to sell the products that you find on Aliexpress. You have to find sellers who are like you have to find handmade products on Aliexpress. How you can do that? Just for example, let's say that name necklace. Just search, for example, for custom just necklace. As you can see, necklace for women. Like if you are listing a product, for a woman, you can just search for a necklace for woman, custom name. Okay. Now, whenever someone places an order on your Etsy account, then you can, when someone tells you, for example, do you want a name on their necklace? Like after they tell you the name, after someone places an order on your Etsy, you go to Aliexpress and you tell the seller the same thing. That's really easy. So you have to find, first you have to find a product that looks like it's handmade. For example, I like this product. It looks like it's someone who just have a phone in their hand and then they want to start selling on Etsy. That's what we want Etsy to believe. Like we don't want to look like we are dropshippers. For example, take these pictures, as you can see, and then you download them. Now, how you can download them? You just want to search for this extension, it's called, or just search for this download pictures from Aliexpress, and then select the first website, the first result, and then as you can see, all media, Aliexpress image video download. This is the name of extension. There are a lot of other extensions that do the same job. So after that, I already added it to my Chrome. So as you can see, it says here remove from Chrome because I already did that. You just want to click on add extension, then click add again. And then after that, guys, you just want to open any item on Aliexpress and you will find these 4 different options so that you can download the pictures from the listing, from the product. Now, for example, after I click on download main images, as you can see, at the very bottom left, you will see here the pictures are going to be downloaded, and then I can just upload these pictures to the listing. I'm going to click it again. As you can see, guys, these are the pictures. I'm going to click on one of these pictures, and as you can see, guys, now after you download the pictures, you better edit something. Like just go to Google and then search for edit picture free. Okay, now for free, guys, you don't have to pay for anything, for free, and you don't have to add something crazy to the picture. Make it unique, but just change the brightness, increase the brightness a little bit or decrease the brightness a little bit. I just don't want you guys to get cut by Etsy. It doesn't happen that fast. I'm just giving you like the ideas so that you will never get banned on Etsy, so that you can make it your main source of income, so you can rely on it, because a lot of people just start dropshipping on Etsy and after like 6 months they got banned, and then it's, you know, guys, I don't want you guys to experience the same thing. Now you just want to make everything unique. For example, the pictures unique, the description unique, make everything unique. It's like a handmade product, okay? And then after, guys, you probably know how to list an item on Etsy. You just want to click on this sale. If you don't have a shop, you want to click this sale in the top right, or shop manager. And after that, you just want to enter shop preferences, like for example, shop country where you are listing your items. For example, I will just select China. Okay, this is China, as you can see. I'm going to search for it here. Or I'm just going to select United States. Okay, now after you select, guys, United States, what you need to do, guys, you want to select here the shop currency. Now the shop currency must be like dollar, and then click save and continue. And here you have to enter here the title, or like, no, I'm sorry, the name of your shop. As you can see, it says here name your shop. You have to add the name and then click save and continue. And then you have to add the pictures that you have downloaded. Like I said, just don't just upload the pictures directly. Edit something in the picture, increase the brightness, or do something. Just do something. It could be anything. And after that, guys, you know, just start uploading the pictures to your Etsy account. Now the next thing you want to do, guys, is to upload. Is just like to add the title. Make sure to add. Don't copy the title of anything. Like whenever you start dropshipping, don't ever copy the title on Aliexpress, because it really doesn't work. Like even if it's proven to work, or like it's proven to work on Aliexpress, not on Etsy. So you have to copy the title of the seller on Etsy, and then edit something in the title. For example, if you are selling the same product, for example, necklace, you can just edit these necklaces, like edit something in the picture, in the title, I'm sorry. And that's exactly what you need to do, guys. Next, you just want to add the information, the price, the shipping, where you are trying to ship the item. For example, like the most the item location is China, and then like offer free shipping to all countries, and make sure you increase the price. For example, this price of this necklace is, because it gives you, it's $4, because I opened this new Aliexpress, so they give me $3 for free. So the price is $4, and then you have to enter here, for example, $21.99. Okay, $21.99, and then you just enter the shipping, the item size, all this information. You can find them in the specifications on specifications on the Aliexpress item. You can find here the customized type, ship pattern, metals type, fashion, fine. But keep in mind that, guys, you have to enter all the information on Etsy. For example, who made it? I would say just another company or a person. What is it? A finished product, or a supplier or tool to make things? When was it made? Made to order. So whenever someone places an order, then you make it. Okay, it's like you are selling a handmade product. Description, you have to copy the description of Etsy seller and then edit something in the description. Or you can just rely on ChatGPT. Just tell ChatGPT, I want a product description for the title, and then add the title. It will give you a description. So I hope, guys, this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. If you want to learn more about Etsy dropshipping, click the video in the screen and you will be able to do that. See you guys in the next video.